Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing your clips and project settings so Resolve can key cleanly. Set timeline resolution to match your footage, then import the clip to the media pool and drag it to video track 1. Once done, duplicate the clip to track 2 for safety or manual cleanup later. Make sure the green is even. Hot spots and shadows will complicate the key. You're doing this now to avoid repeated tweaks in the Fusion keyer, which prefers consistent color and exposure. You move to Fusion because it gives precise control for complex keys. With the clip selected, open Fusion and add a Delta keyer node. Ultra keyer works too. Use the eyedropper to sample the green background, then widen tolerance sparingly. Too much erodes hair or edges. Once the initial key is established, refine using matte finesse controls. Reduce garbage with erode, soften with blur, and clean speckles by pushing clean black and clean white. You'll frequently toggle the matte view to confirm edge integrity and alpha. You finish by compositing the keyed clip over your background and solving remaining issues. Place the background on a lower track and enable a light wrap to blend edges realistically. Adjust wrap strength to avoid haloing. For stubborn spill or missing bits, use a paint or roto node to patch edges manually and apply a hue curve spill suppression. Once satisfied, generate render cache to preview full motion. If problems persist, grainy key or thin hair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.